Hello, so now we're going to construct congruent angles. We're going to construct angle 2 so that it is congruent to angle 1 as shown. This is angle 1 and it's an arbitrary angle. We don't know the measure of angle 1, we just know that it does exist here on paper. So what we're going to do is we're first going to label the vertice as vertice A, and we're going to make a point out here on this ray. So now that we have ray AB, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to construct another ray with a ruler, and we're going to call this A prime, this point A prime, and we need B prime now. So what we have to do is we have to measure with our compass from this point over to B, and we're going to draw an arc that crosses over the second ray of angle A. And we'll call that point where it crosses C prime. Or C, excuse me, just C. So now we have angle CAB, and now we're going to come over to here, to our second ray, and we're going to do the same arc without moving our compass. We're just going to do the same arc, and we're going to call this point B prime. So now we have ray A prime, B prime. So the next step in constructing congruent angles, or constructing angle 2, is to take and measure from B, point B, over to point C. So I'm going to have to adjust my compass down to C so that my compass, my pivot point is on B, and my lead, or my compass lead, is on C. So from there I'm going to take, now that I have that measurement, that's the distance from B to C, I'm going to go over to B prime, and I'm going to put my pivot point on B prime, and I'm going to draw another arc that crosses over, and it's just a small arc, and it crosses over the minor arc that I made from B prime. And I'm going to call this point where it crosses over C prime. So now I can take my ruler and I can actually draw the ray A prime, C prime. And there I have it. I have angle 2. So now I have angle 2, which is exactly like angle 1, or it is the same as angle 1, as we like to term it. And that means that the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle 2. So now we've just constructed congruent angles. You try one.